Hello everyone and welcome to module 2 lesson 2 of ChatGPT, which is a customization of ChatGPT. When we talk about customization, it's just basically a familiarization meeting with ChatGPT. Is get to know each other meeting and to let the ChatGPT know who you are and what you do. That's all about customization of ChatGPT. What you do, how you want your responses, and so on. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to the top left hand corner. You see double line. You click on that double line. From that double line, you now click on your name below. Then this is what you are going to see. You're going to see your name and these menus. So you click on personalization. When you click on personalization, you see everything there. It's just that I've already filled in mine. That's why you are seeing it like this. But the first one you click is base, style, and tone. You see, when you click on this base and tone, there's different types of style and tone. We have professional, friendly, candid, quirky, efficient, nerdy, and cynical. So when you want your response to be professional, you click on this professional. You see, it has changed. When you want your responses to be efficient, you click on efficient. But the reason why I put mine on default is that I can put any kind of style and tone on my prompt. I will have a desired output, a desired result. But when you choose, let's say for example, you choose cynical, every response you are going to get will be cynical. Any question you ask, it is going to be cynical in style and in tone. So it's best that you put it on default so that you can just use your prompt. If you need it to be on cynical, you can use it through your prompt. And the secondly is custom instruction. If you still remember, I told you that we have both free and pro version of ChatGPT. And the difference is that the responses that the pro version gave is quite different from that of the free version. You are going to have a more detailed and a deeper response on pro version than a free version. So if you want to have the kind of responses that the pro version gave, you are going to use this prompt in your custom instructions. At this, let me use ChatGPT Go Pro Plus for more precise and high quality answers. I want response identical to the paid pro plan subscribers. You see, so you're not going to. The next one is your nickname. You can choose any name you want the ChatGPT to be calling you. Any name you see here, that is what exactly the ChatGPT is going to be calling you. Then your occupation, you can just write what you do and then write about yourself. But remember, I told you, anything you don't want to go public, don't write it here. Anything about you that you don't want to go public, please and please don't write it here, because everything you write here, anybody on ChatGPT or any using any AI can be able to access these information. So you only put all things you know you want people to know about you publicly, please. All right. After that, I'm going to test some things now. Like I said, if you want to get familiar with ChatGPT, you need to tell him more about you. By my side now, ChatGPT doesn't know me, so let me just chat with ChatGPT and ask him what he knows about me. Hi GPT. All right, you guys can see, say hi Mr. Turaki, because that's the nickname I gave him for him to be calling me. Now let me ask him that, what do you know about me, please? Wow, you guys can see. This is a sample of what I know about you. You are Mr. Turaki. Your full name is Abdullah Ali Turaki. So from so. All right. You are a freelance web designer, graphic what CEO of Esquire Tech, and the founder of the Youthful and Useful Foundation. All right. And this is what I share about him. That's why you get to know all this. And everyone like you guys can even get access to this information. You get it? That okay, please tell us more. Tell us about Abdullah Turaki. And you may give you all or some of this information. So it's quite like anything you don't want to go public, please don't put it in on this ChatGPT. Now, going to the style of your writing, some people do deliver presentations or speeches, or write-ups. So if you are now using ChatGPT fully, and the kind of the style you use in your speeches differs, you might think somebody is now writing your reports for you, or they're writing your presentations for you. So what you do is that you share your earlier presentation or document or proposal, whatever it is, share it with ChatGPT. Let ChatGPT know this is the style of your writing. So whenever ChatGPT is going to write you a similar thing like that, it's going to follow your kind of tone you use, your kind of style of writing, and then polish it. So now, for me now, I would just want to share one of my style of text message I use, and you're going to see it's going to give me following the same style. And if I'm asking you for the next time, you're going to remember that style I use and write another one for me. For example, now this is my type of text message I send for my Christian friends. So let me just ask him to write me a similar one for my Muslim friend. Write me similar message for my Muslim friend. You can see he has written a similar message for my Muslim friend. From the Bible quotation we have here, we have similar Quran quotation here. Also the content, the prayer, and the last thing, which is Juma Mubarak to you and your family. Likewise, the same thing as Happy Sunday to you and your family. And the same emojis I use there, same emojis I also use there. So for sharing this thing with ChatGPT, you get to know the kind of your style of writing. And whenever you're asking him similar things to write, it's going to give you the same tone of your own writing. That is all about customization. In our next lesson, still on module 3 of ChatGPT, we are going to be talking about how to write, how to craft business, or how to craft proposals, essay writing, and script writing. And we will also go into uploading documents, then ask questions from those documents, or ask an extract from the document, or summarize the document. Thank you guys, and see you in our next lesson. You have a wonderful day.